everybody, thank you so much for clicking on my video to watch. So for today's video, I am doing a BoxyCharm unboxing, but also a try-on. So I just completed this look, and throughout the video, I used the products that I received in this month's box. This is one of my favorite boxes I've ever gotten from BoxyCharm, so I'm really excited to show you guys the products that I got. I believe there was two variations of the box, so I'm pretty sure we all got the same two main products, and it kind of switched up box to box. Yeah, throughout the video, I kind of give you my thoughts and first impressions on all of these products. Before I hop on into the video, please don't forget to subscribe. Click that little bell beside the subscribe button. That way you guys get notified every time I upload a new video. Also be sure to like this video if you like BoxyCharm unboxings. So if you are subscribed to BoxyCharm, or maybe you got your first box this month, let me know what you guys got in your box and what you guys thought of the products. If you'd like to know everything I got in my box, see me try them out for the first time, then please just keep watching. Okay, so I already know what is inside this box. I cannot wait to be surprised. I need to open my BoxyCharm right when I get it because I love BoxyCharm so much. So first of all, before we get into the makeup, I could cry about this. I'm so excited, but we got a Sol de Janeiro. I never know how to pronounce that. And it is a moisturizer. It's their Coco Cabana cream. I haven't tried this one yet, but their Bum cream, which I recently found out, I'm pretty sure it's called Boom Boom cream, but tried that. It's amazing. I've tried their acai moisturizer before, and that one wasn't quite my favorite. It didn't really give me tons of moisture, which was weird. It probably just didn't agree with my skin. This one I am excited to try. So this is 2.5 fluid ounces. I'm pretty sure it's not a full size because it says it is only $20, and I'm pretty sure their creams retail for quite a bit more than that, but this is still an amazing size. I'm just gonna open it up and put some on my arms or something just to try it out. Also, this color of the packaging is amazing. Oh my gosh, it smells like coconuts. I am obsessed with it. This is what the consistency looks like. There's quite a bit on the lid here. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to put this on my skin. I'm just gonna wipe some off of the lids just because there's so much on the lid, and just pop it onto my arm. I'm assuming a little bit of this is gonna go a long way because it's pretty thick. But it feels super lightweight. Oh my gosh, this feels so nice. I'm gonna smell delicious after this. Oh my gosh, so happy about this product. I'm excited about this whole box. When I opened it, I was like, this is definitely one of my favorite boxes I've ever received from BoxyCharm. There's two variations of it, I believe, and I really didn't want the other one. I wouldn't have been mad if I got it, but this one is the one that I wanted. Whenever I smell their products, I just wish it was summer. Okay, the next item I'm going to pull out is this primer because that's what I'm going to start off with on my face. This is the No Pore Blem primer. It is a smooth and pore covering top secret for perfect makeup, it says. It is from the brand Touch in Soul, and it has 1.01 fluid ounces, so I'm assuming this is a full-size product. This one retails for $18, which is a pretty affordable primer. I don't think I've heard of this brand before, but I am excited to try it. I just squirted some out on my fingers. It has a very light pink tint to it, which is so cute, and it doesn't have a scent to it. If it does, it's probably very light, and I can't smell it now over the cream. I actually squeezed out quite a bit, so I think I'm going to try and do it all over my face. I was just going to put it in my pore areas at first, but as I squeeze so much out, it feels super smoothing. Oh yeah, oh my gosh. It is definitely smoothing out my skin. It feels really hydrating for a pore filling primer. Usually they're a little bit more mattifying, but this is feeling really hydrating on my skin and almost like a gel-like consistency. I have dry skin, so this is perfect for me. Face feels so smooth right now. Kind of slippery, I want to say. I'm just gonna let it sink into my skin a little bit. So I just finished off my face with the products that I didn't have in the box. So my bronzer, my blush, everything like that. And next, I'm so excited about this product. I'm pretty sure I'm saying that about every single product, but this is a Pretty Vulgar highlighter. They were putting in a few different shade variations in the box, and I was hoping I didn't get the ones that I already had, and luckily I didn't. I got the shade Sparkling Sass, and it is this beautiful gold shade. I'm really happy about the shade too. I kind of wanted a new goldish highlighter. These retail for $32, so this is a super good product to receive in your box. I really like Pretty Vulgar's highlighter, so I know that I will like the formula, and so basically I'm just gonna find out if I like the shade. I'm just going to swatch this shade really quickly so you guys can see it swatched. I think this is going to be beautiful and such a perfect summer shade too when you're nice and tan. Not too sure if it'll show up a little bit too dark on my skin tone right now, but we will see. So here is the swatch up close. Hopefully you can see that pretty good. And now I'm going to put it on my face. I'm just going to use my favorite highlighting brush. This is the Lexi 522 tapered highlighter, and I'm pretty positive I got this brush in my BoxyCharm as well. A lot of products that I own are from my BoxyCharm boxes. Okay, that is definitely really pretty. Especially, I thought it was going to be super pigmented when I put it on, but it's very just easily buildable, which I prefer. I'd rather just build up a product rather than go on super pigmentedly at first. I have another shade and it's more on the pink side. Well, it's definitely on the pink side from Pretty Vulgar. I can't remember the name of it, but I do love it. So I'm excited to have another one in my collection. I really like Pretty Vulgar products. I have a couple of their blushes, highlighter, bronzer. Their powder is so amazing. I got that in a few BoxyCharms back, and I've been using it nonstop ever since. It's been my favorite loose powder, and it's not that pricey either. I'm pretty sure it is around $34. Probably blend these out now because I just put a lot on. So far, I'm happy with all of the products I've tried. BoxyCharm actually does a really good job about putting good products and good brands in the box. I've rarely not liked something. Of course, I've not liked quite a few things I've gotten, but for the most part, I'm usually happy with everything. Next up, I got a Nudestix Magnetic Luminous eye color, and it is just kind of like an eyeshadow stick, and I got the shade Copper Foil. So these retail for $24, and I haven't tried much Nudestix before, but from what I have tried, I really like them. I have tried one of their lip shades and cheek shades before, I'm pretty sure. So this is what the shade looks like, exactly what the name of it is what it looks like, basically. So I'm just going to swatch it on my hand really quick. Oh, these are made in Toronto, Canada. That's really cool. I had no idea. Nope, just kidding. They're distributed by, they're made in Germany. Okay, never mind. Oh my gosh. That swatch is so amazing. They're so creamy. I'm excited. I just don't know what I'm gonna do yet for my eyes, but I'm definitely putting this on my eyes. Maybe if I smoke it out on my just my lower lash line, that would look really cool. I think that's what I'm gonna do. This would be a really cool shade too if you just put it all over your lid and kind of smeared it out a little bit. This could just be a one shadow show, and you could just put this on and that could be it for your eyeshadow. But I think I am gonna do something different to my eyes, and then I'm gonna smoke this on my lower lash line. Finished off my eyes, and I'm not sure if this shade is gonna go with my eye look. I'm really hoping so, and I really don't want to not use it. I don't know, maybe it will. I'll try with a very light hand, and hopefully it won't interfere with the other shades. But I'm just gonna pick some up on my brush and just try and put it underneath my lower lash line. It's not really picking up. It's more so picking up the leftover purple I had on my brush from my eyeshadow. Kind of mixing in though. Kind of like that. I bet you that you can't see it, but it's very lightly putting some sparkle in my leftover eyeshadow that I have on this brush, and it actually looks really pretty. This is what I was most excited for besides the cream. This is one of my favorite mascaras ever. I know that I have like never used it on camera before, I'm pretty sure, but I've gone through probably 10 of these tubes. It's an amazing mascara. So this is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I'm sure most of you know what this mascara is. Too Faced is very known for this, and people are obsessed with it. So it retails for $24. This is such a good product to get in your BoxyCharm. I was so excited when I saw the preview. I was hoping we were all gonna get it, and sure enough, it was one of the main products. So everybody got this in their BoxyCharm. Mine came a little bit scratched up. That's okay, it's still a good product. I already know I love this product. I'm still gonna go ahead and put it on because I actually haven't used it in quite a while. It just gives your lashes so much length, so much volume, and it separates them very well. I'm just gonna pack this on. So here's the before and then the after. It does wonders, and I just put on so many layers and it didn't clump up. Okay guys, well that is it for the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. This has definitely been one of my favorite BoxyCharms ever. I don't do BoxyCharms every single month. I am subscribed to it, so I get it every single month. It's just sometimes I get it really late, so then I kind of think it's pointless to put it at the end of the month when you won't have the chance to get the box anyways. So I try to do them when I get them early, or more so into the middle of the month. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave, like this video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.